morning, everyone. It's 6:40 in the morning, and I got up early. Terry's still sleeping. I got up early because we're going to Epcot today, so we have, that's why my hair's all messed up. I haven't gotten ready yet. I'm just sitting here getting ready. It's 6:40 right now, 6:41, and the reason why I'm up early is because I said we're going to Epcot, but also because of Remy's Ratatouille adventure, the new ride at Epcot. There's a virtual queue like we did with Rise of Resistance last year and earlier this year in February. So at 7 o'clock it opens up. I did a screen recording that I'll put on this vlog and show you guys how you actually can go through your phone and get ready to do it. It's a little different than Rise of Resistance, it seems like. It looks like the page you can go on now, you hit confirm your party, and then it sits there. You could just keep hitting refresh at the 7 o'clock mark. So at 7 o'clock, I looked at my phone. I have 4 bars right now. It's going in between 3 and 4 inside of the room. I'm going to check out the patio. Usually when you're outside by the patio, you can get four bars, the full amount of bars on your phone. And that's important by having those bars and making sure you're on LTE mode, not Wi-Fi. That's what seems to work for us every time, and what we hear from a lot of other people. So I'll come back on around closer to 7. Okay, everyone. So the bars are at 5 outside. I tried in the room right there where I was sitting down. It was going between 3 and 4 bars, so it's full bars out here. It's 6:59 right now, so we're gonna try it right now. I'm doing, there it is right there. And I got the screen recording too, so I'll show you guys how that works, but there it is right there. I know Rise of Resistance were like 10 in the first 10, but this is actually better because Remy is actually in France. So as we're doing the drink around the world thing, I was hoping we didn't get in the top 10 this time, because if we did get in the top 10, we would have to go to the park early. And since we're going to be walk around the world all day today, we wanted to go a little later. So this will definitely help. So estimated wait time about 360 minutes. So this is going to work out great today. Okay, so we'll show you guys the ride. First time being on the ride. And I do think too with the grouping, is when we got Rise of Resistance in the top 10, I think the reason why we got that too is because that was when the park had a well, let me turn off my screen recording because I'm done with that. But that was when the park had, sorry about that guys, Uncle. Okay, make sure that screen recording worked. Yeah, okay, good. Okay, so with Rise of Resistance, the reason why we got in the first 10, I think, too, is because there wasn't that many people at the parks like there is this week. With you know, they open up Europe. They don't really. I don't think they have a like. I mean, they still have the reservation, but I still don't think they have a capacity limit right now, or a percentage that they're letting people in. I think that's almost at full capacity. So that's why when we went on last November and then in February, I think the parks were anywhere between 30 to 50% capacity limit. So that's why we're able to get an easier boarding group. But again, like I said, we can relax in the room a little bit. We'll probably get to the park like around 11:30 or so we can relax here, enjoy the room a little bit more, and get over to the park, and then make our way to France. We'll probably start out, like I said, in Mexico. We'll start having a margarita there, and then we'll go on. We have a cool little booklet we'll show you guys that we got on Etsy, and we'll put the link in there where we purchased it in case you guys wanted to do that. But we're going to do that, enjoy it today, and then when our time is up to go on Remy, wherever we're at that current time, we'll head over to Remy, do Remy, and then go back to the country where we ended off at. Okay, we'll see you guys there. Take a picture of video Ratatouille. We're heading in there right now. We have 35-minute wait. All right, we're heading in. 1 through 45. Was that the regular line? No, we go through there probably. All right. First new ride in a long time. There's our car. There's our mouse. Car.
Our mouse.
Chef Remy is waiting for you. This way. Qu'attendez-vous? Les invités pour le dîner.
Yes, but what about here? Pour le repas idéal. Au poivre? Non. A simple omelet? Too simple. What? Mais oui, that's it! What are you doing? Ready to see food.
Oh, man. Jeez. Get wet over here. Watch out. Here's the broom.
Dépêchez-vous. Voici. Go, go.
looks like you ain't this way. You are always waving your